What's up, everybody? It's your boy YvngHomie, and today we are not doing a dance video. Well, kinda. It's technically a dance tutorial, you know. So, hold on. Today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to dance like me, YvngHomie. All right. So I'm gonna teach y'all my basic moves that I usually do in a lot of my dance videos, like right here. Yeah. And like right here. Yeah. Alright. So, well, hit them folks. I'll teach you the basic moves. You know, like hit them folks so you go like one side, then the other. Like you better make an upside down X, like 1, 2, 3, and then it looks like you're about to be excited for something, so you're like asking why and stuff. Like, wait, what's going on? And then you raise them up, and then you hold your fists up, and then you drop them like that. So it's mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, it's a basic step on how to hit them folks, you know? Now let's go on to footwork. All right, so a lot of my videos I usually do this one here. Yeah, when I go like, So I'm gonna teach, a lot of people that know me ask this question, how do you do that? All right, so I'll show you. So you have your feet like this. All right, they go on 2 same directions, and then you switch them opposite, like this. 1, 2. See, look, it must be like the same side, and then your dominant foot goes one direction, and the other one goes the other direction. See, they go to the same direction, and then outer, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Easy, man. Easy. All right, so my other moves. Paul, tell me what else am I good at? Ow. Oh yeah, my splits. I always hit the splits in a lot of my videos. Like this right here. Beans, greens, tomatoes, something like that. So, if you're good at doing the splits, then it's easy for you. If you're not good at the splits, I recommend that you should not try then. But look, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. See, you have your one foot, like your most dominant foot that you use, you make it go outer. Like you about to kick something, like kick a ball or something, I don't know. And then you drop it, and then this goes down, you drop it, your other foot stays in place still, but it goes up on the heel. Whatever it's called, mostly. And then you're mostly about to do the splits and stuff like this. Your dominant foot bends like this, so you don't like hurt yourself or something. See, it bends like that. See, so that's how you hit the splits. So be it 1, 2, and then you try and grab yourself up. That's why you always have your hands on the floor, so you be able to grab yourself up. Easy, man. Easy, man. Easy. Oh yeah, the pin drop. I remember, y'all know that I did it before in my other previous tutorial. So this is how you hit the pin drop. You go like this, look. This is how my boy King Imprint does it. He always spins like this. So that is gonna be hard to explain, but I'll try my best. So you have your hands to spin you like this, like you gotta push them, and then you have your other leg, like kick up sideways, and then you have your foot. To drop down, you have to bring your foot like this. Like that, and then you drop, you spin like this. See, you gotta do this. You might ruin your shoes that way, but yeah. All right, so it's mostly like that. You gotta make sure this foot or your dominant opposite foot catches it, so you don't hurt yourself or hurt your ankles. And then you won't get your ankles broke like this.
Oh, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Oh yeah, the jig, the Kid the Wiz. You go like, see, like that's the kind of hype dances that a lot of people use nowadays. See, like go like this. Oh, like you gotta do the, but you gotta do it like this. Oh, you scoop, and then you do the other way. So, Fortnite dances. All right. So this is how you do one of them. I have no idea what they're called, but this is called the wiggle or something. You go like, ooh, hey, hey. So mostly you just gotta wave with your arms like this, and then you just gotta do your feet like, you gotta bend down, and then do this. It's not that hard. See, look. And that's how you do a Fortnite dance right there. The wobble, the wiggle, or squabble, something like that. I don't know. This is the last move. The Warrior Purdy dance. This one's my favorite because you see that I use them in a lot of my dance videos. Like this one and that one. See, look. You have your feet spread out like this, and then you have your hands like a W, like you're about to win. And then you go like this. Your dominant foot bends, and then your other one bends, but this one looks like it's broken. And you go like this. Then you switch, and your arms go down, and like this. And that's how you mostly do the Roy Purdy dance. So I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit them folks on that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Team Homie. And comment down what kind of video you want me to do again. Like a vlog, a dance video, or another tutorial. And I'll see you guys next time. Team Homie. Yeah. That way. Hey, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. Cause you know, like on Twitter, I'm gonna tell y'all like hints of videos that I'm gonna come up soon with next time, like sooner or later time in the future. So y'all make sure to follow me on the Twitter. Hey, my Twitter is right here. You know, like I'm YvngHomie because you know, like I'm YvngHomie. But still, make sure to follow me on the Twitters. You already know. Let's try and get to like a million. I'm just kidding. Like, let's try and get to like at least 10,000. Let's try and get to a 10,000. You already know. 10,000 on Twitter. I hope all y'all have a great day, a blessed day. Stay amazing, stay lit with the squad. Team Homie, YvngHomie gang. Love y'all that way. Peace. The next video coming soon. You already know. Squad!